If you're using Messenger on Android, you may notice your latest screenshot or photo automatically appears above the chat box. This can make it easy to accidentally send a private image. Here's how to disable or limit that feature. First, go to your Android home screen and long press the Messenger app. Then tap App Info. After that, open Permissions and select Photos and Videos or Photos and Media. Now either allow limited access to restrict which photos Messenger can see, or tap Don't Allow to completely remove gallery access. Just remember, disabling this permission can also stop Messenger from easily sending photos and videos from your gallery. That's currently the best way to reduce accidental photo suggestions on Messenger for Android. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Android tips and tutorials.